I was just looking at a couple of reports, one by the First Nations Development Institute and another by Bridgespan, about giving to Native organizations, tribes, and communities. And in one of the reports in 2021, it said that 51% of the total giving to Native American organizations and causes was concentrated in the portfolios of just 21 foundations. These reports also indicated that in general, less than 1% of the funders out there make up roughly 50% of total giving to Native organizations and causes. And furthermore, they indicated that less than 1% of all philanthropic dollars explicitly benefit Native communities and Native-led organizations, and that Native-led organizations themselves receive roughly only half of the funding to Native anything. All of this tells me that it is time for a change in the nonprofit sector so that we can give with effect, support worthy causes, and accelerate and catalyze the worthy efforts that are Indigenous-led and having the best impacts. Lots more to talk about. Feel free to drop a comment below. Miigwech.